Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my FabFitFun for the summer season to go over with you. Now, for those of you who do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, and it is a lifestyle subscription that you can get anything that varies from makeup product to a fitness product in this box. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you all what I got. So I got more than just the box itself. I also got the $15 refill of the mystery items. And then also I have the FabFitFun mystery bundle that's $29 to go over with you. But let's start with the box itself. This is the box. Absolutely love the packaging. It so reminds me of summer. I have not opened this yet, so I'm really excited. I do know what I got because I am a yearly member. If you are a yearly member, you get to choose everything inside of your box. Now, if you're seasonal, I do believe you get to choose up to customization number 4, and 5 and 6 is chosen for you. Now, I just need something to open this with.
Open it. What?
Okay, I'm really excited about this because I got some really cool stuff. I went ahead and opt for paying the extra to get the Foxy Bay Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush. It's supposed to like dry your hair as you use the product and straighten it. So I think it's super cool. I'm really excited to give this a try. For those of you who don't know, I do reviews on the channel. If you're interested in hearing my thoughts and opinions on this in particular product or any other products, just keep your eyes peeled for my reviews. They normally come out on Mondays or Tuesdays. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, I'd go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed so you have easier access to more videos like this. Let's see what else is in here. I got a body scrubber. I don't remember picking this. Maybe this is in one of like the sets and the customization 6 that I got. We have a box here. This is a Mu Romu leave-in conditioner from Natura Ecos. The packaging does look really earth-friendly. It is a vegan product, so that's good to know. And here is the leave-in conditioner here. It's a pretty decent size. Let's see what it smells like if it's not sealed. It is sealed, so I'm just actually going to be leaving it sealed because I have other ones open right now, and I want to get those finished up before I open up another one. If you're hearing a little baby voice, that's my little 2-year-old Mowgli. He likes to make his little appearances from time to time. And then let's see what else is in here. I have a DNA Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. This is a time-defying age cream, and I think this is really expensive if you actually go out and purchase it. I think it's like 100 and something, if I can't remember right, like $117. But the packaging, I love this. This looks so fancy, so nice. It looks like it's expensive, so I love the packaging. I feel like this should be sitting out on my vanity. Will look super cute there. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Facial Cleanser. Now, Tula is a really good skincare company. I really like their products, so I was excited that they had some Tula Skincare available. I got a Grace and Stella If You Could Smile Eye Cream. Now, this is also sealed, but I'm just curious to see what the packaging looks like on this, so I am getting it out here. Okay, so it's just a basic, pretty simple pink packaging. And then we have the eye cream inside here. It doesn't have much of a scent to it. It is a more thicker consistency. Now, they do say with FabFitFun that they promise that the products they send you will be good for at least 6 more months. So just keeping that in mind. Sometimes I like to look for code dates on things. just to see. This in particular product doesn't have it, but sometimes they do have it on skincare products, so I just like to see how much time I'll be having. This I have tried from Ipsy, and I really do enjoy it. This is Oil, Scalp, and Body Scrub, and has like a nice fogged glass packaging. It smells absolutely wonderful. I just want to take a whiff. It just smells so clean, so good. I love the scent of this. It's a really good brand. That body scrubber might have been like a bonus thing that they threw in, because let me count my items. I got the hair cream, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it looks like the body scrubber was just like a bonus thing. Sometimes they'll do that. Sometimes they just throw like little bonus items in there, because I didn't actually choose this, but they end up sending it to me anyways, so that's cool and nice of them. Also, if you did shop in the edit sale, or add-on sale, excuse me, that they did have an option. If you spend, I do believe, like $15, you could get a free bottle of water. This one, I'm not really sure. It has a taste to it, but I will try that out for sure. And then also you could get a crest whitening emulsions. 1 minute apply and go. Cool. This almost looks like a full size, so I'm excited to get to try this stuff out, and it was completely free to me. So now, like, the only thing I'm not really 100% sure about is my mystery bundles, because I did get 2 different mystery bundles, and I'm gonna guess this one's a $15 one because it only has 3 items in it, and the other one is a $29 one. But let's just start opening, and let's go ahead and start with the one I think is the refill $15 mystery bundle right here. Okay, and this first thing, I'm not really sure what this is, but I'm intrigued by it. It says Caravan Design Will Travel.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, so let's open it and see what this actually is, because I am intrigued by it. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. This is a rug actually made in India. So that is really cool. It's 100% cotton, and it's a handcrafted rug. So that's also really cool. I think I'm actually going to keep this for myself. Sometimes I like to gift things to other people if it's something I might not necessarily use when I get mystery bundles. But I actually really like this. We have from Milk Makeup, which is a good company as well. This is a watermelon brightening face mask. I don't own this, and I'm really excited to try this. So I'm actually loving this refill this time. I don't think I was too pleased with it last time around, but that's the thing about mystery. You don't really know what you're going to get, and that is just so cute. It has, I love the packaging. It's like really smooth plastic. It feels nice. Anyways, and then we have a third item in here. This looks like it's a mascara from the Beauty Crock. It's Fabulous Flossing Lashes. And it's cruelty-free and vegan. It has little flamingos all over it. Super cute packaging. Oh my goodness. Okay. Like the refill. Now I'm curious to see what is inside of my mystery bundle. So this is my other mystery bundle here. The first item is from Teami, Beauty Mask Restoring Clay Facial. Okay, I have tried some of their products before. It actually works pretty well. This is a cruelty-free company that's actually based out of Florida. So yeah, let's see what this actually looks like. It has textured packaging, which is kind of neat. And then it looks very similar to the green clay mask that I have, except for it's blue. So now I have a blue one too. So that's cool. This one actually does have a code date on it, and this one is good for another year, just about another year. That's good. I always like to try to store stuff based on dates, just so it gets used up. And then let's see, what is this? Another mascara, but this is from Evo Beauty. Okay, and very smooth, lovely packaging. I absolutely love the style of this. The texture, everything. This is like, I hope the product is as good as the packaging is, you know what I mean? But have to give it a go. I'm not going to open it right now. Mascaras are open right now, so we don't want to do that. Let's see what else is in here. We got, this is a skin treatment for eyes and lips from Victoria Land and Beauty. From Victoria Land Beauty, a skin loving treatment for eyes and lips. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. Just pink with the silver and white on there. Okay, this I will have to try out as well. And then one last item in my mystery bundle is some Invisibobble, the traceless hair ring. There's 3 hair ties in here. Now, I think this was an okay mystery bundle. I actually really like the refill one a lot better, but that's just my own personal preference. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of my mystery bundles, which one you liked better. That's everything I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.